We are joined by BRS MLC K Kavita, madam. Madam, today you are protesting at this Dharna Chowk here. Tell us what exactly is this protest about? What are your demands?
We've been demanding to install Mahatma Jyotiba Phule statue in the Telangana Assembly for last 1.5 years. Government has not responded on it, so we are fighting for that. April 11th being Jayanti of Jyotiba Phule, we are demanding that on April 11th the government comes up with a positive statement. Apart from that, we've been also fighting for the OBC 42% reservation bill to be tabled in the Assembly, which has been tabled. But then from Telangana Assembly, we have no idea where the bill has gone. We don't know if the government has already accepted it or it has gone to the Honorable President. So we are demanding that the Telangana government has to chase the BJP government that is in center, make sure that this bill passes and the OBC population of Telangana gets the benefit.
Well, madam, the ongoing issue of HCU, the Kancha Gachibowli land, where now the Deputy CM has ordered that the police move back and the cases on the students are being taken back, is what the development today we've seen. What do you have to say on that?
Well, Honorable CM and unfortunately the entire cabinet and the government have been constantly saying that the students used fake artificial intelligence videos. Many celebrities use the fake artificial intelligence images to, distract, portray a very bad scenario what is happening in HCU. That is absolutely false. We believe that it is not the AI does not in unfortunately Telangana stand for artificial intelligence, but it stands for Anumula intelligence. Anumula Revanth Reddy Garu, who is the Chief Minister of Telangana, unfortunately is lying to the whole country. It is absolutely disrespectful of the protest of the students that has been happening in HCU.
What do you think, madam? Now the government has stepped back, Supreme Court has intervened. Now this all the allegation going on the celebrities who have posted all these AI images and videos. So do you think that that the appeal that the government is going to do in this High Court to prosecute these influencers, these actress Dia Mirza and John Abraham, is it
No. I don't think the government should do that. I don't think the government will dare to do that because we've already been protesting that the cases registered on the HCU students should be withdrawn. If the government goes ahead and files charges on all these celebrities who came forward to support the cause, which is a fact by the way, there is no fake images, there is no fake visuals that have been created. It is really unfortunate that the government stoops to this level and we will severely protest if the government takes any such steps of filing cases on the celebrities as well.
Thank you so much for speaking with us. So this was BRS MLC K Kavita, Camera person Damodar Abdul Bashir, Hyderabad.